What's up guys, Raven here. Welcome back to another Jeep Wrangler Mavic Mini adventure. Today, I'm taking the scenic route to the ghost town Chesterfield, Idaho. Looks like a rough road ahead. Sounds like a job for the Jeep Wrangler. Nice little hill climb. Wow, check out that view. Little bit of mud never hurt anybody. We're into the farmland now. Not much further, guys. Okay guys, we finally made it to the ghost town Chesterfield, Idaho. The scenic route was a little bouncy, but we're finally here. It's drone time. Let's take a quick look around. Wow, this place looks like it's being reclaimed by the vegetation. Let's head in for a closer look. Ooh, I could go inside. What do you guys think? Should I do it? I'm going in. Holy crap, this place is crazy. Look at this place. It's creepy and thrilling at the same time. Okay, looks like we're in the kitchen now. On the right there, it looks like there's a bathroom door. And on the left, it's a basement door. I'm honestly getting the creeps. Let's head out and check out some more buildings. There's a really cool house up here on this hill. Let's fly over and check it out. Wow. That is about as cinematic as it gets right there. Beautiful shot. Let's move in for a closer look. Here we go, we're going in. Really like the looks of this log cabin here. Let's take the drone in for a better shot. Okay, let's see if there's anything in the attic here. Is that a baby crib? Go down and look around some more. Let me give you guys a quick driving tour of the town here. There are plenty of other old buildings, and many of them have been restored by the Chesterfield Foundation. There is even a visitor center, but right now it is closed due to COVID. Okay guys, I think it's about time to start heading back towards home. Man, that was a fun adventure. Went to go explore that ghost town, and now we're having a nice soak in the hot springs. If you guys enjoyed this video, do me a favor and hit that like and share button, and if you haven't already, please hit that follow button. I'll see you guys on the next one. That's the show. Be smart out there.